All right, let's talk about class mark or class midpoint. Or class. The class mark or the class midpoint is simply the average, okay, of the two class limits or the two class boundaries. So you can work from here or you can work from here. So once you are given the class mark and you ask to find the once you are given the marks and you ask to find the class mark or class midpoint, okay, you just find the average of these numbers. So we have 35, 39. So once you ask to find the average, you just sum them. 39 plus 35, then divide by 2. Okay, so we have 39 plus 35. So this side is 74 on 2. So we have 37. So this side will be 37. Okay, all right, we have 37 here. Now let's assume the frequency here is 5, 3, 4. Okay, now the next one will be 44 plus 40. That will be 84. Okay, so 84 divided by 2 will be 42. Okay, so the next one will be 45 plus 49. So just find the average. So this side will be 47. So this side is a class mark, so denoted by X. At times when you ask to find the mean, okay, and you are given the class mark like this, so in an interval form like this, you need to convert this one to this before you can find the f of x, because this one is not x, these ones are just intervals, so we need to get the class mark or the midpoint. All right, so let's talk about the class boundary. So you can continue since we've already explained this in detail. So class boundary, so we said is the difference, okay, between this. So 40 and 39 is 1 over 2, 0.5. We just subtract the result from the lower limits. So this side will be 34.5. So we have 39.5 and 44.5 from the lower. So the upper, we just add the result. Okay. So we have 39.5, 44.5, and 49.5. All right. Okay, so let's talk about the class size. We said no boundaries, no class size. So knowing the boundaries will help us get the class size. All right, so we have 39.5 minus 34.5. So this side is 5. Then 44.5 minus 39.5. So this side too is 5. 49.5. 49.5 minus 44.5. This side too is 5. Now, it's not always that the class size will be equal. Take note, okay? It's not always. At times, you will get unequal class size. All right, very important.